Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the ability of a machine to learn and solve problems. The idea began in the 1950s when Alan Turing asked a simple question: can a machine think?
Today, AI is part of our daily lives. For students, this means using AI as a tool, not as a shortcut, but a tool to create, understand, and learn.
Artificial intelligence is already part of our everyday life. As students, we need to use it responsibly, to learn better, think critically, and develop our own skills.
That's why understanding how these tools work is becoming an important skill.
We are fourth-year students from an ITI school. In this series of tutorials, we will explore some of the most popular AI-powered applications.
Canva uses artificial intelligence to help create professional designs quickly and easily.
ChatGPT can generate text, explain concepts, and support learning and coding.
Suno allows users to create music using artificial intelligence and simple prompts.
Gemini is an AI assistant designed to help with research, problem thinking, and solving.
In the next videos, we will show how these tools work and how to use them responsibly.
Artificial intelligence is a tool. How we use it makes the difference.